How to log in with Google account on GhibliArt AI. Are you guys facing issues to log in with a Google account on GhibliArt AI? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Chrome on a laptop device. Once you open the Chrome, now search for GhibliArt AI. Once you enter the website, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see the option for sign in. Tap on it. Once you click on it, now you can see the option for sign in with Google. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you need to log in with your account. Now tap on continue. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna get logged in with Google account on GhibliArt AI. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.